1. 1964 Chevrolet 2 Drag Car Roller. Price $27,500, located McCalla, Alabama. The 1964 Chevrolet 2 Drag Car Roller is an outstanding foundation for anyone looking to build a serious drag racing machine with proven components already in place. Designed around a lightweight platform, this race-ready roller features a professionally constructed round-tube front section along with a spindle-mounted front suspension that enhances stability, handling, and weight distribution during hard launches. The chassis has been prepared to accommodate a big block Chevrolet engine and includes an aftermarket Powerglide transmission setup, making it an ideal starting point for a competitive race build. Additional performance equipment includes engine headers, a motor plate, radiator, and a nitrous converter, while the included nitrous system provides an excellent opportunity for racers planning future high-horsepower upgrades. Brand new rear slicks and matching front runner tires have seen only a single pass, giving the next owner fresh racing rubber ready for action. Lightweight fiberglass doors, front end, and trunk lid help reduce overall weight while maintaining the aggressive appearance expected from a dedicated drag car. This Chevrolet 2 roller represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a professionally prepared platform that is ready for the next stage of competition or custom race car development. 2. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price $43,000, located Makina, Illinois. The 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D is a professionally constructed race car designed for serious drag racing enthusiasts who appreciate a premium chassis and high-quality competition components. Finished in a striking orange exterior, this all-steel Camaro has accumulated approximately 1,000 miles and carries a clean title. Built by the respected Montana brothers, the car features a certified 25.2 double-frame chassis engineered for exceptional rigidity, safety, and outstanding performance under demanding racing conditions. Premium suspension components include Penske shocks, Koni hardware, and a ProJack system, providing excellent chassis control and consistency on the track. The electrical system is equipped with an MSD grid ignition management system, while a MagnaFuel 500 fuel system supports high-performance engine combinations. This listing is offered as a rolling chassis without an engine or transmission, allowing the next owner complete freedom to install a preferred powertrain combination. The solid construction, professional fabrication, and proven racing foundation make this Camaro an outstanding choice for anyone planning a competitive drag racing program. With quality components already installed throughout the chassis, this race-ready roller provides an excellent platform capable of supporting serious horsepower and future performance upgrades. 3. 1981 Chevrolet El Camino SS. Price $13,000, located Hendersonville, North Carolina. The 1981 Chevrolet El Camino SS combines the practicality of a pickup with the performance and style of a classic American muscle machine. Finished in attractive blue with a clean black interior, this rust-free El Camino has traveled approximately 1,100 miles since receiving extensive mechanical upgrades. Under the hood sits a freshly built 383-stroker V8 equipped with Edelbrock E-Street aluminum cylinder heads, delivering impressive power and dependable performance. A brand new turbo 350 automatic transmission transfers power smoothly to a new quick-performance Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with durable 3.91 gears for strong acceleration and reliable cruising. The exterior features custom paint enhanced by elegant lace inlay graphics, while a custom fiberglass hood and tucked fiberglass front bumper create a distinctive appearance that stands apart from ordinary builds. Inside, Dakota digital gauges modernize the dashboard while maintaining the vehicle's classic character. According to the seller, the vehicle is exceptionally clean, carries a clean title, and has absolutely no rust. Combining outstanding mechanical upgrades, tasteful custom styling, and dependable drivetrain components, this El Camino SS offers an affordable opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a powerful street machine with lasting classic appeal. 4. 1957 Chevrolet Classic. Price $60,000, located Cookeville, Tennessee. The 1957 Chevrolet Classic is an exceptional custom build that blends iconic Tri-5 styling with modern high-performance engineering. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior complemented by a gray interior, this impressive Chevrolet has accumulated only 300 miles and remains in outstanding condition. Power comes from a freshly assembled 383-stroker V8 fitted with a powerful 871 supercharger, creating a combination capable of delivering exhilarating acceleration and unmistakable blower performance. The drivetrain has been completely rebuilt using all new components, and the seller states that complete documentation and paperwork are included with the vehicle. The engine has not yet been fully broken in, allowing the next owner to enjoy a nearly new performance package. The vehicle also features a durable stainless steel rear end that complements the upgraded drivetrain while improving long-term reliability. With a clean title and careful construction throughout, this custom 1957 Chevrolet offers an excellent balance of classic styling and serious performance. Whether displayed at automotive events or driven on weekend cruises, this professionally assembled Terrify Chevrolet delivers the unmistakable presence, craftsmanship, and excitement that enthusiasts expect from a premium custom classic. 5. 2000 Jerry Haas Camaro. Price $55,000, located Gallatin, Tennessee. The 2000 Jerry Haas Camaro is a purpose-built drag racing machine developed with premium components and professional craftsmanship for serious competition. This race-ready Camaro is powered by a potent 496 cubic inch engine equipped with high-flow Brodix cylinder heads, delivering exceptional horsepower and dependable performance. Power is transferred through a professionally prepared Wayne's transmission that has recently been refreshed, ensuring reliable operation and consistent performance on the track. The chassis is equipped with premium Penske shocks, Lamb racing struts, and Lamb braking components, providing outstanding stability, control, and braking performance under competitive conditions. Recently installed front and rear racing tires, including large 33.5 by 17 by 16 rear tires, maximize traction during aggressive launches while maintaining predictable handling. Fuel delivery is handled by a powerful Mega 500 fuel pump paired with an APD 1050 alcohol carburetor, supporting high-output racing applications with consistent fuel flow. Built by the renowned Jerry Haas Racecars organization, this Camaro represents a professional-level race car that is ready for competitive action. Combining proven engineering, premium hardware, and race-winning potential, it offers an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a turnkey drag racing platform. 6. 1971 Ford Mustang Mach-1 Premium Coupe 2D. Price $49,000, located Fayetteville, Georgia. The 1971 Ford Mustang Mach-1 Premium Coupe 2D is a unique custom-built muscle car that combines classic Mustang styling with impressive big block performance and carefully crafted interior upgrades. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior, this one-of-a-kind Mustang has traveled approximately 5,000 miles since its custom build and carries a clean title. Under the hood sits a professionally built 429 cubic inch V8 that delivers outstanding performance while maintaining the unmistakable character expected from a legendary American muscle car. The powerful engine is paired with a smooth automatic transmission, making the car equally enjoyable for relaxed cruising or spirited weekend driving. Inside, the custom white interior creates a striking contrast against the bold exterior color while showcasing the attention to detail invested throughout the build. Additional features include a quality stereo system for added driving enjoyment and twin electric cooling fans that help maintain reliable engine temperatures during warm weather operation. According to the seller, this Mustang is a true one-off custom build designed to stand apart from ordinary restorations. Combining distinctive styling, strong big block performance, and tasteful custom craftsmanship, this 1971 Mach-1 offers collectors and enthusiasts a memorable classic that attracts attention wherever it appears. 7. 1967 Chevrolet Nova. Price $32,000, located Monette, Arkansas. The 1967 Chevrolet Nova is a professionally prepared drag racing chassis built for serious competition while offering outstanding flexibility for future engine combinations. Finished in black with a silver interior, this lightweight race car features fiberglass hood, trunk lid, and bumpers along with full Lexan windows to reduce weight and maximize track performance. A professionally constructed funny car roll cage and Chris Alston chassis provide outstanding structural strength, although the certification has expired. The vehicle weighs approximately 2,550 pounds and is equipped with premium strange brakes, gun-drilled 40-spline axles, a Ford 9-inch rear housing, Weld Magnum wheels, and large 33 by 16 by 15 racing slicks for maximum traction. Additional racing equipment includes a Moroso oil accumulator, aluminum radiator, electric cooling fan, and a 4-gallon front-mounted fuel cell. The seller is offering the car as a roller but also has optional high-performance engines and a top Sportsman Powerglide transmission available separately. Previous combinations reportedly produced impressive elapsed times on methanol. Combining lightweight construction, premium racing components, and excellent build quality, this Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a proven and highly capable drag racing platform. 8. 2001 Pontiac Firebird. Price $32,500, located Houston, Texas. The 2001 Pontiac Firebird is a professionally built drag racing chassis designed for competitive performance while featuring premium race-proven components throughout its construction. Finished in blue with a black interior, this purpose-built Firebird has accumulated approximately 1,234 miles and remains in very good condition. Built with dual frame rails and a chrome moly firewall back chassis, the car offers exceptional strength while maintaining a lightweight racing design. The suspension includes Penske and Chris Bell shocks paired with Santhuf struts and AFCO components for excellent stability during hard launches. Additional premium equipment includes a MagnaFuel fuel system, lightweight plumbing, carbon fiber interior panels, carbon fiber doors and front clip, racepack digital instrumentation, MSD ignition, and Mark Williams floating rear components with a strange center section. Chrome moly wheelie bars, Aluma Star front wheels, and new 16-inch beadlock rear wheels complete the race-ready setup. The car is wired to support multiple nitrous systems and includes a complete new Haltech engine management package with wiring, sensors, coils, brackets, and ECU. Built by Burl Green, this Firebird provides an exceptional foundation for racers seeking a professional-grade drag racing platform capable of supporting numerous competitive engine combinations. 9. 1964 Chevrolet Nova. Price $35,000, located El Cajon, California. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built bracket racing machine engineered for consistent performance and impressive reliability on the drag strip. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this dedicated race car features a powerful 598 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine built around an aftermarket block and equipped with TND shaft-mounted rocker arms for dependable high-performance operation. The drivetrain includes a Reed Powerglide transmission housed in an SFI-approved case, while the chassis features a Parallax Racecar's front suspension, Mark Williams axles, 4.33 rear gearing, wheelie bar, parachute, dual 16-volt batteries, and a 10-gallon fuel cell. Additional racing equipment includes Lexan windows, a Bandit Pro shifter, delay box, trans brake controls, and an expired 8.50 certification. According to the seller, the car consistently performs as a competitive 5.70-second bracket racer and remains fully equipped for serious drag racing. The complete package delivers outstanding reliability, strong performance, and professional-level construction throughout. Combining premium racing hardware with a proven competition history, this 1964 Chevrolet Nova offers an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a capable bracket car that is ready to return to the track with minimal preparation. 10. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price $52,000, located Temple, Texas. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a stunning custom muscle car that combines legendary Chevrolet styling with exceptional supercharged big block performance. Finished in vibrant red with a black interior, this professionally built Chevelle has traveled approximately 6,000 miles and remains in outstanding condition. Under the hood is a powerful 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with an impressive BDS 871 supercharger and a big and ugly injector hat supplied by B2 Quick Fuel, creating a combination capable of delivering tremendous horsepower and instant throttle response. Power is transferred through a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body for precise gear changes during spirited driving. The interior has been completely refreshed with new upholstery, updated wiring, modern gauges, and a new shifter, giving the cabin a clean and functional appearance. According to the seller, the engine consistently operates at approximately 170 degrees, even during the intense Texas summer heat, demonstrating the quality of the cooling system and overall build. Combining dependable mechanical performance, outstanding craftsmanship, and unmistakable classic styling, this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is an exceptional choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful street machine that attracts attention wherever it goes. 11. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price $65,000, located Lakeside, California. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle is a professionally built competition machine designed for serious drag racing while showcasing premium components throughout its construction. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a silver interior, This purpose-built race car features a massive 582 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine supported by an entirely new fuel delivery and electronic management system. Performance upgrades include a Holley Terminator X Dual 4500 electronic fuel injection package, Holley fuel pumps, MSD distributor, digital dashboard, brand new wiring, fuel lines, batteries, wheels, and tires, ensuring dependable operation under demanding racing conditions. Additional race equipment includes a parachute, wheelie bars, and large 34 by 13.5 racing slicks that maximize traction during aggressive launches. The chassis carries an NHRA 7.50 Sportsman certification, reflecting its capability for high-level drag racing competition. According to the seller, the vehicle is not street legal and has been purpose-built exclusively for track use. Combining professional construction, premium racing hardware, and tremendous big block performance, this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a fully developed drag racing platform that is prepared for competitive action. 12. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2. Price $85,000, located Mexia, Texas. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 is an elite drag racing package that combines a professionally built race car with a nearly new enclosed trailer, creating a complete turnkey racing program for serious competitors. The car is powered by a freshly assembled 632 cubic inch engine equipped with a Fogger nitrous system and matched to aggressive 4.30 rear gearing for exceptional acceleration. According to the seller, the engine has completed only 6 passes since assembly, while the chassis has been extensively updated from the driver's seat rearward with new aluminum flooring and a professionally constructed Pro Mod roll cage. The suspension features a 4-link rear setup and brand new 33 by 14 by 15 racing slicks, providing outstanding traction and consistent launches. Modern electronics include an MSD grid ignition system, and the vehicle is currently undergoing chassis certification. The package also includes a 2023 enclosed race trailer equipped with air conditioning and a generator, having been used only a handful of times. The seller states the car performs exceptionally well, launches straight on every pass, and is available for demonstration at the racetrack. This outstanding combination offers a complete, high-quality racing program ready for immediate competition.